In this video, we are going to discuss two powerful TradingView indicators that can significantly improve your trading strategy. These simple yet accurate indicators provide precise signals, allowing you to catch trends before they disappear. They are designed to provide efficiency, serving as your personal edge, cutting through market noise. The video will go in-depth into how these indicators work, how to set them up, and how to use them to enhance your trading game. So if that's something you're interested in, as always, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. The biggest bull run of crypto is currently happening, with many coins or crypto tokens potentially increasing in value by 50x, 100x, or even 1000x within the next few months. To buy Bitcoin or any currency, one needs to find a good crypto exchange. The exchange KCX is a popular exchange but has an unlimited coin selection, including popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to find altcoins at 1000x, you can find them on KCX. KCX is a popular choice due to its excellent coin selection and low fees. By signing up with the link in the description, you can earn up to $30,000 in free money depending on the amount you first deposit. Another great exchange for those unable to sign up with KCX is the 2-bit crypto exchange, which also has a greater coin selection, and 2-bit is still a great option for futures and spot trading. To deposit crypto, users can follow these steps outlined here by the exchange and deposit the desired amount. This exchange makes it easier to deposit crypto by selecting the desired crypto, and then also clicking here to select the crypto network, and copy the address, and within 2 minutes, users can own Bitcoin or other currencies. Then, after depositing the asset, you can start trading on the futures market and the spot market, and other opportunities KCX has to offer. After signing up to the exchange, you can come up to the upper side to claim the new user reward, deposit your assets that are about to get listed on the KCX exchange, and finally, to join the futures trading competitions. By choosing a better exchange and utilizing the best coin selection and fees, users can maximize their cryptocurrency investment opportunities. I'm going to leave the links to both the crypto exchanges in the description, so you go ahead and click the link, and then you can create an account. Now, let's get right into the video. Now, to add this amazing indicator to our chart here, you are going to click on Indicators, and we search for Dynamic Sentiment RSI. This one, which is written by UAlgo. All right, this is the indicator, and as you can see, the indicator is added here, below the chart. So this is the Dynamic Sentiment RSI indicator by UAlgo. This indicator is an improved version of RSI, and it actually combines the classic RSI with dynamic sentiment analysis. This new RSI integrates volume weighting sentiment factor and smoothing features to provide more accurate signals about momentum change or potential reversals in the market. It can help you in different situations like identifying overbought and oversold conditions, divergences, momentum trading, and trend confirmation. So because this new RSI is built based on sentiment and volume factors, it can better adapt to any market conditions, making it easier to identify early signals of reversal or continuation of trends. Now, let's see what we have here in this indicator. This area is sentiment RSI. It's actually sentiment adjusted RSI. And as you can see, it changes color between green and gray. When we have bullish sentiment in the market, it is above the center line in green. And when we have bearish sentiment in the market, it is below the center line in gray. The higher the value, the stronger is the bullish sentiment. And the lower the value, the stronger is the bearish sentiment. And we have this line, which is smoothed RSI. And as you can see, a change in color between blue and orange, which depends on being bullish or bearish. Blue is bullish and orange is bearish. The crossover of this line above or below the center line is important because when it crosses above the center line, it shows that bullish momentum is building and it can be a potential buy signal. And when it crosses below the center line, it shows that bearish momentum is building up and it can be a potential sell signal. Now, please pay attention that these crossover signals are very prone to being false signals, like in the pullbacks or during flat markets. So they should be used in conjunction with other indicators or some key technical analysis for more confirmation. So we also have this purple line, which is the raw adjusted RSI, the original RSI but adjusted. It is less smooth than the smooth RSI, as you can see, and it is actually a more responsive version of RSI, and it can provide earlier signals when compared to the smoothed line. Here we also have these triangles that are actually buy and sell signals. The green triangles are buy signals, and they happen when we have crossing of a smoothed RSI above the center line, and the red triangles are sell signals, and they happen when we have crossing below the center line. Please pay attention that these horizontal dotted lines are not at 70 and minus 70. They are set at plus 40 and minus 40. The reason is for interpretation of the sentiment, which can show overbought or oversold conditions in the sentiment of the market. When the sentiment RSI reaches the 40 level, it can be a sign of overbought conditions, so the downside reversal is expected. And when the sentiment RSI reaches to the minus 40, it can be a sign of an oversold condition, and the upside reversal is expected to happen. You can also add lines at 70 and minus 70, in case you want to analyze extreme levels of RSI. This indicator, by combining the sentiment factors, volume weighing, and smoothing techniques, gives you a better view of the market. For example, here we have bearish divergence, as you can see, and this tells us that the upside momentum is weakening and the downside momentum is gaining strength. And at the same time, the sentiment is showing overbought. So now by having two bullish signals, we have a higher probability that the price is going to reverse down. Here's another example. Here, we have a bullish divergence, as you can see, and this shows that the downside momentum is weakening and the upside momentum is gaining strength. And at the same time, sentiment is showing an oversold condition. So we have a higher probability that the price is going to change its direction, and even with the help of this sentiment, you can somehow filter the false signals of the centerline crossovers. For example, when we have bullish sentiment, we only take buy signals, and we don't take sell signals when we have bullish sentiment. On the other hand, when we have bearish sentiment, we only take sell signals. We don't take buy signals when the sentiment is below zero and gray. Please pay attention that during the times that the market is in a trading range and moving flat, we can still encounter false signals like this one, which here, it shows bullish sentiment. We got a buy signal, but this is a fall signal. So we need another indicator, like this new supertrend on TradingView. In the original version of supertrend, the calculation is only based on a fixed amount of factor and length for ATR, and this indicator is not able to adapt to the current condition of the market based on learning from the past data at any time. It is only based on a fixed amount of length in the past to calculate the line above or below the price. But in this new version of supertrend, it has the ability to learn from the past data and up to the current condition of the market, so it can provide better signals compared to the original supertrend. This new supertrend is built based on machine learning algorithms. In case you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn and gradually improving its accuracy. So, to add this new supertrend to our chart, here we click on Indicators, and we search for Machine Learning Adaptive Supertrend, and it is going to be this one that is written by Algo Alpha. All right, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's overlaid on the price chart. This indicator uses a special algorithm that is called K-mean clustering. And with the help of this algorithm, the indicator analyzes the ATR values and classifies the volatility into three clusters: the highs, mediums, and lows. And by constantly applying these learnings into the supertrend calculations, it can provide more accurate buy and sell signals to help us with the changes that are happening in the direction of the market. The appearance of this indicator is just as similar to the original supertrend. When the line is below the price, the area becomes green and it shows an uptrend. And when the line is above the price, the area becomes red and it shows a downtrend. The changing point of the supertrend line can provide buy and sell signals because it shows changes in the trend of the market. If you pay attention, you can see that we have numbers 1, 2, 3, which the indicator uses to show degree of volatility. The 3 show high volatility, while the 2 show medium volatility, and 1 shows low volatility. For example, around this place on the price chart, the numbers here are 2, and this shows we have a medium degree of volatility in the market. So generally, this indicator can be used in 2 ways, exactly like the original supertrend. You can use it for identifying market trends, and then you can find trading opportunities in the current direction of the market. Or in another method, you can use these buy-sell signals for entering the market, which must be confirmed by other indicators or aspects of technical analysis in the form of a trading strategy. Because only if you use these buy-sell signal indicators, you can find trading opportunities in the current direction of the market. Here's an example. You can see that we have these many 2 and 3 numbers all lined up, showing that the price is in a medium and high volatility, but the price is in a downtrend. And if you check down here, you will notice that the sentiment part of the dynamic RSI is gray, and the signal line is constantly oscillating around the center line. Now, when the adaptive supertrend gave you this signal to enter a long trade, notice the price forming these 3 here, showing high volatility and a high number of buyers in the market. Then here on the dynamic RSI indicator, it also gave you this bullish signal. You can see that the signal smoothing had already crossed the center line, and this sentiment had changed to green. And all of these confirm that you should enter a long trade, and then you will grab the long position tool and place a long trade at the close of the candle. Then set your stop loss at this low and extend your profit target up to this point, which is equivalent to a 3 is to 1 risk to reward ratio. And you can see that this trade would have been a high-quality trade. Go ahead and check it out on TradingView and figure out how you can use it in conjunction with your strategy. If you find a way to use it, be sure to let us know in the comments section below. I hope you guys found value in this video, and if you did, I would love to hear your thoughts. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.